Hi guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix the procedure entry point not found dynamic link library error in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to the command prompt window. So to do that, simply go to your Windows search tab there and then type CMD, and you will get this command prompt option under best match. So just please proceed with this right section, and here just click on the run as administrator option. Now once you do that, you will get this user account control window coming up. Just please click on yes to proceed, and then you will get this black window here, and then here we need to type system info and just click on enter after doing that. So since I have misspelled it, let me just quickly do that again. System info. Once done typing, just please click on enter, and then it will start giving you the system information. So once it has been done loading, then we will be scrolling up and look for system type, this one. We have found the system type, which is x64 based PC. So let's just bear that in mind, and then we will go with our browser. So please open any browser that you have there in your device, and then there we need to type the Visual C++, this one, Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2013. Now once you found it, just please make a click on that. This is not the one, so let me just go back and then click on this one. So here we have now the first search result from Microsoft, which is Visual C++ redistributable packages for Visual Studio 2013. Now just please make a click on that, and then here all you need to do is just to look for the software or the option that is compatible with your system type, as we have seen it earlier, and then click on this language here. Select for the language that you understand or that you prefer, and then click on this download button. And then once you have done that, just open the software and then install it, or open the download directory and then install it, and then open the software, and then just close this window. We will go again with the command prompt option or command prompt window. So again, here in the Windows search tab, type CMD, click on the run as administrator at the right section, and then click on yes to proceed. Here in this black window, we need to run a system file checker. So type sfc /scan now, and then it will start scanning or it will start the verification process. So once you click on, or once you're done typing it, just please click on enter, and it will say here beginning system scan. So this process will take some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes or 5. So just wait for the verification process to be completed. Once this is already completed, then just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed, and then if you have fixed the problem, if this helped you fix the problem, then please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.